Hello, dear students. Today, I have given you an assignment in the Google Classroom to write two letters. Many students they do not know how to make a PDF document. You have already written your answers in your notebook. So, how to transform your written letters into a PDF document? That is one thing. And another thing is how to upload it in the Google Classroom. Here you can see I have given it as an assignment, not as a post. Okay, here I assigned you a classwork. So this is how it appears. So let's see how to do it. First of all, let us check how to make a PDF document. So for that, I'm using a particular application. It is known as Doc Scanner. You can see it here. This is the one application which I am using. If you want, you can download it. Anyway, with the help of this application, I will show a demonstration. Just download the application from the Play Store, and this is how it looks like. And just click on it. Sorry, just click on like this and a screen like this will appear. Here I have clicked a lot of PDFs, so that is why a number of lists shows here, otherwise it won't be like this. So here you can see a camera button here. So in order to make a PDF document, you want to click this camera button. The camera will be open. Just imagine this is your written document. Now I am using a printed document which I have with you right now. So just focus it and click on the camera button at the bottom of the screen. Then it will appear like this. If you want, you can crop it. Then click on continue and take the next page and click on the camera button again. If you want to crop it, you can crop, otherwise leave it. Then again continue. If you want to click 3 or 4 pages, you can do the same procedure. And after clicking all your written pages, finally you have to click on the tick mark here at the bottom right corner. Then it will appear like this. Okay, the PDF is ready. Here there is an option known as rename. Click on it and rename it. If you want, you can type it as letter writing or whatever it is. It's up to you. It's better to write letter writing. Then click on OK. Click on the back button. Here your PDF document is ready. Letter writing, it consists of 2 pages. If you click on it, you can see it. Okay, this is how it appears. Then next procedure, how to upload it in the Google Classroom. From here itself, you can do it. For that, click on the 3 dots at the right end of your PDF document. Just click on it. Here you can see an option. It is denoted as share. Another screen will appear. Again, click on share. Then select Google Classroom. Here you can see number of options. From that, click on Classroom. Okay. Here the classroom first DC1 English plus economics our classroom is shown, but sometimes it will show some other classroom which you are enrolled. Okay. For that, if it doesn't show first DC1 English plus economics language skills, what you have to do is you have to click on that particular classroom which shows here. Okay, just click on it. Then the other classrooms which you were enrolled will be shown. So from here, you can select the concerned classroom. Click on it. Then here you can see an option attached to assignment. Click it. So it is shown letter writing. This is the one assignment which I have given you today. Click on it. Then it is uploading. Sometimes it will take some time. You have to wait patiently. Yes. After uploading your answer, just scroll it upward. Your work attachment is attached. Letter writing PDF, it is attached. Okay, successfully you have uploaded your document, but you have to submit it. Okay, after this procedure, don't stop it because you have just uploaded it. You have to publish it. You have to hand it in. So don't forget to click on hand in button. Okay, then it will show like this. Click on hand in again and wait. Yes, your work is submitted successfully. Okay, clear. After submitting or after handing your answer, you can click on this Google from title first DC1 to mark your attendance. Here you can type your email address, your name, and the class in which you belongs to. And if you have any suggestion, you can type it here and you can click the submit button. This is how you have to submit your answers. Thank you so much.